Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access themes section. Now tap on themes at the bottom left corner and click on the loop at the top right one. Then type in wherever you wish to and click on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Finally, you can click on download over here. Select apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go into the same settings, scroll down and select themes again. This time though, click on menu at the bottom right corner, tap on my stuff over here, hit default and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!